now going to create the upper floor to sit on these beams spanning across. So I'm going to go to my first floor plan. I'm going to use an architectural floor, have the construction with the composite steel and concrete. Okay, I'm going to use the rectangle command and zoom in by here. I'm going to put that by there and then zoom in on this side and click over there. And actually, I could click on that far side of the beam by there. And then on the other side, I will just take it back from there as well. There we go. All right, so we have the beam direction going in the direction we want as well. Make sure that is there. If you need to change it, you can just click on the line and add the span direction. Okay, so let's check first floor. Good, tick. Now, if we look at it in 3D though, we'll see that this is actually sat at the same level as our steelwork. So what I'm going to do is give it an offset, and to check the offset, I'm just going to measure the thickness of that floor construction to 11. So now I can click on the floor construction and in its offset over here, change it to 211. And now it sits on top of the steelwork. And we can see that by there. Now, if you enjoy my videos, please remember to subscribe and like, as it does help the channel to grow. And please also carry on watching for more elements in this steel frame tutorial guide.